Alright, y'all, so back to the channel. Today, y'all, we're gonna start this trial with that white bow tie. We'll be doing a video. We're dropping 30 days videos straight, number bangers. I'm gonna try my best to keep y'all posted on everything, what we got going on with the truck and everything. So you already know, bro, we finna get lit with this, bro. I ain't gonna cap to you. So yeah, like I said, bro, if y'all missed it, bro, if I missed the truck in the video, bro, I really apologize, because think about it, bro, it's so many lifted trucks in Louisiana, bro, that I can't name or like can't pick out. But don't worry, bro, like, you know what I'm saying, like, I'm gonna also do videos on all the Fords. We're gonna have a Ford category, Chevy category, Dodge category, 4Runner category, Tundra category, and it's gonna be from trucks from all over. We even might do an old school category, straight roller. So make sure, if anybody from out of state watching this video, make sure y'all get y'all rollers ready, man. Y'all send them in, DM me, and for everybody in the comments below, anybody that sees this stuff, bro, sees this video, man, y'all comment below, tell me which one y'all think's the sickest. Go follow them on Instagram. If you got any questions on what kind of lift, wheels, tires they got, man, hit the comments, let me know, man. I can let y'all know if I know it off the top of my head. But if not, you know what I'm saying, just hit them up. They Instagram and all that's gonna be tagged there as well. But other than that, bro, like I said, y'all enjoy this video, bro. Make sure y'all go follow everybody. Everybody has clean ass bills. Let's support everybody, bro. The next video we're gonna drop, we're gonna do Mississippi, then we're gonna do Alabama, Florida, then we're gonna go up north. We're gonna hit Georgia. We're gonna hit North Carolina and South Carolina and Virginia, if I can get some more people to send me their roller. So y'all send in so we can get this contest rolling. Let me know who get the most votes, bro. We're gonna get it rolling, bro. Like, for real. Let me know who y'all think gonna get the most votes tonight, bro.
Heard that nigga talking shit in the air. Bitch, I'm piped up, feel like hood rich. Bitch, I'm too geek. You can't get into no money. Get your ass up on your damn feet. Who the f is all you on your chain. Man, that shit look like it's finna rust. Niggas talking about they sliding, they ain't finna bust.